Hello and welcome. Now in this video we discuss the gold market technical analysis for Monday opening, and in the upcoming next week what are the possibilities in the gold market. Now take a look at the gold market. As per our previous analysis, we suggest that gold market is moving in the bearish direction because it will not break the 727 level and cannot be able to close any H4 candle above the 727 level and make any confirmation. So the trend is continuing a bearish direction because this H4 range look like a bearish flag pattern, and so the market is continue to head toward the 1681 level. So luckily market break the 1681 level and go toward that next 1650 level. So now what happened for Monday? Monday is the day there is possibilities of gaps in the market. If the market make an opening above the 1681, or you can say 1685 level, and cannot be able to cover the gap, so this is the chance that it will continue for growth in the upside direction. So in the next week, if you are buyers, then wait for the buying opportunity when the market make a clear close above the 1681 level. So on the other hand, if you look in the selling direction, if the market continue to hold below the 1681 level, then obviously the next target is at 1637 or whatever the next target. So you draw the Fibonacci retracement on the latest range from that to that area. So obviously your next take profit limit is at obviously 1622 level. So if the market continue the bearish trend and close the monthly candle in the selling direction, then obviously 1622 is the next target if the market continue the bearish trend. So in the monthly time frame, if you look at the monthly chart, this is the monthly chart, and market is still holding above the moving average 50 exponential, and this will suggest that if the market continue to hold above that, then obviously it will make a closing above the 1700 level, this or 1727 level, then obviously it continue again in the bullish direction. So according to monthly time frame, still there is a possibility that if the market continue the closing above the 1681 level in the monthly time frame and above the moving average 50 exponential, then obviously it will go again in the further bullish direction. On the other hand, if you draw the you can say Bollinger Band is suggesting that this monthly candle closing previous at from 270 level inside the Bollinger Band closing area pin bar from the support and resistance level push the price and have ability to break the support level. So this is a very dangerous situation. But now if you remove the Bollinger Band and you can say simple chart suggesting that EMA 50 in the monthly still have a chance to support the upside direction only if the monthly candle close above that area. So hopefully you guys understand the Monday market situation. Overall, still the trend is bearish unless holding below the 1680 level, because the daily candle is closed below that area, suggesting that it will go in the further bearish direction. and weekly candle also closed below the 1680 level, or these you can say previous range of 1688. In the next week, hopefully maybe market go toward the 1688 level and then again in the bearish direction, but these are the possibilities. Monday opening depend on whether the market where it want to go. So hopefully you guys understand the situation of the gold market. Selling opportunity is valid below the 1680 and buying opportunity holding above the 1680 level. So hopefully you guys understand. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for continuous support.